What's up guys, my name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette channel. I don't know why I'm thinking the camera's on this side of the screen. It's right there, it's right there. Anyhow, let's get that cold start.
They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Oh my gosh, yes baby. Woo. Man. She smells so good. She sounds so good. But today, I want to look at something and see if this will help us find or solve a problem that we've been having for a while. Well, let me flip the camera around. I know it's going to be pretty loud, but I'll speak up. Hopefully that'll cover it. Switch guys around. Boom, there we go. Flip around. All right, let's get down on in here. And, well, our new pulley's doing great. I don't really hear that chirping noise that I've been hearing and wanting to figure out what it was. My camera won't focus. Oh no, what'd I do? Did I get dirty? Any better? Hey, there we go. Welcome back to reality camera. I need to get a little light. Let me get a little light. Alright, now we got a little light. Now what I'm looking for here is any kind of wobble in any of these pulleys. Mainly what I want to look at is my crankshaft, the harmonic balancer pulley. Because I just learned a lot about the harmonic balancer and the C5 Corvettes. Also, I think it's a thing in the C6 ones that they tend to break. And what'll happen, and I really hope mine's not doing it, but honestly it kind of looks like it could be, is it's a 2-part thing. So you got the center that holds onto the crank, and then you have a rubber band, and then another outside band that has the actual grooves, pulley sides that your belt runs along. One's for the AC, one's for all other accessories. And what happens is sometimes that rubber gives out and starts breaking, and then the top piece wiggles off the inner piece, and when that happens, it can go back into the engine block. And what it'll do is, let's say right now this is our engine block, it'll start making a mark right here as it keeps spinning over and over and just start grinding into your block. And what sucks is that the oil pan is also right there. So your block is going to get ground down, your oil pan is going to get ground down, you're going to have a terrible oil leak, plus your pulley is trashed. I think I hear it. I think it's starting back up. So previously, I have replaced that pulley there. I did so on Main Street here in town. I was with my buddy Dawson. We were out for a cruise on the boys' night, and she gave way. And she very well could have gave way because the balancer could be bad. And so I'm just trying to determine where this chirping is coming from. I mean, my alternator pulley looks fine. Power steering, is that power steering I think? Maybe. think so. That one looks okay. I don't think it has. No, it's not really wobbling. Our water pump looks like it's doing good. The little pulley right down there, she looks good. I really wish that I was able to get my car up, like on a lift and run it like this. Oh, hey. One of my cousins just seen me. Probably like, what are they doing in my car? This is what I'm doing, buddy. So I'm kind of getting a little worried here now, guys. I know it's super hard for you guys to see, but it does look like my harmonic balancer may be wobbling, and that could very well be this chirping noise I'm hearing. And I really hope you guys can hear it. I'm gonna get a better light, get it under the car, and then hopefully show you guys a little better view. Anyhow, I would like to give a big shout out to my friend Quentin McPherson, because him and I have been he commented on my pulley video, and we've been talking, going back and forth for a couple days now about this sound and how to determine it. And so I just found a few videos, watched some of them, and decided I was going to go ahead and try and make my own. So here we are trying to determine if this is the harmonic balancer or not. He's going to shoot me a video, and I'm going to compare it to mine, and then compare mine to his, and we'll see what we find. Stay tuned. Alright, hope you guys can hear this. Hopefully you guys heard that. As the RPMs go up, the squeaking gets a lot louder. I know it's really hard to hear with my awesome bald eagle exhaust machine, but hey. I think that it might be time to try and jack her up, get her on the lift, and do an inspection. And guess what? I know just where I can go. I'll just ask him if he can look at my wheels. Shh. Derek, just while you're under there, check that part for me too, please. Those are my guys at Tom Dan's. I absolutely love them and appreciate everything they do for me. And I'm sure if I give them a call, they probably won't mind just taking a look. He's not gonna fix it, but he might just take a look for me. So if that ends up being the case, I think you guys know what that means. Oh, you don't? You don't know what that means? Oh, well, I mean, maybe I would throw on my old wheels and we'll just send the motor and the transmission and have a roller. Because what's better than a bad transmission and potentially bad motor, even though it could just be the bouncer? We may as well full send it. Twin turbo, baby, here we go. Anyhow, we can't do that right now. I wish we could. It'd be a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, drop some comments, thumbs up, smash that red subscribe button. We got a lot of red today, right there, all in there. So please click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell notification. And as always, we hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and we will catch you in the next video.